Hey, it's Dr. Troy here. I want to talk today about fertility and chiropractic. A lot of patients ask me, or they'll say, hey, we haven't been able to have a baby for 3 to 5 years. Is there anything chiropractic can do? And the answer is absolutely there's things we can do to help get the body working in a better environment so that you can reproduce. They say a third of women aren't able to conceive children now. And so one of the things we have to look at is everything functioning properly, not only in mom, but in dad? And so what we look for first is we look to the nerve system. Because if you look here at the autonomic nerve system chart, the uterus here is innervated by the nerves in the lower back and the sacral area. So if there's an imbalance in that nerve flow, that could affect the function to the nerves that go to the uterus. I'll show you this model here. This is a picture of two bones. And you look here, you can see the nerve, it's lit up green. If that bone gets out of alignment, if we misalign that thing, it's going to alter the nerve flow. So that's going to adversely affect whatever that nerve goes to. And if it's a uterus, it's ovaries, it may not allow your body to properly develop and produce a child. I'll tell you a story. I had a young skater who came to see me, and she, very competitive, fell on the ice a tremendous amount of times, obviously, and she'd always land on her low back or hip. So when she came to see me, she had a lot of chronic low back pain. And one of the things I found out on her history is that she had dysmenorrhea. She had a seriously irregular menstrual cycle. She would have maybe 1 to 2 menstrual cycles a year. She could never get pregnant. And within about 6 months to 9 months of working with her, she had her cycle back. It was normal, so she'd have her monthly cycle again. And within 3 years, she was able to conceive a child. And so I always remember that story because I just looked to the spine as what could be causing the body not to be able to produce children. And for her, it was misalignment to the lower back and the sacrum that was affecting the reproductive organs. So if you know somebody who's suffering, you want to see if they can get checked, see if we can help them. Be happy to schedule a consultation. Call the office, 360-260-6903.